Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Radio Garden application on your iPhone. Let's dive into the video right away. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store. Once you're inside your App Store, in the search box, type in Radio Garden. Once you see the application in the display, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Radio Garden is an online platform that allows users to explore live radio stations from around the world by rotating an interactive globe. Users can listen to radio broadcasts in real time by navigating the globe and selecting a specific location. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Radio Garden. And that is how you can easily download the Radio Garden application for your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.